Good day, my viewers. Today I want to talking on Roman numerals from 1 to 50. So I want to write 1 to 50 in Roman numerals. But there are some basic rules we need to understand why writing in Roman numerals. Number one, if a lower value digit is written to the left of a higher value digit, it is subtracted. Second basic rule is if a lower value digit is written to the right of a higher value digit, it is added. And the third basic rule is only I, X, and C can be used as subtractive numerals. Now, these are the three basic rules I want us to know for today. Now, before I proceed, there are basic Roman numerals that we need to know, which is I, L, V, X. Now this I represents 1, this L represents 50, this V represents 5, this X represents 10. So these are like the foundation for our Roman numerals. So let us start from 1 to 50. Now, 1 in Roman numerals is I. 2 in Roman numerals is I. 3 in Roman numerals is I. 4 in Roman numerals will be IV. Now you can't write I. Now you cannot repeat any Roman numerals. You cannot repeat them more than thrice. I mean more than 3 times. So answer 5 is V. That means we need to subtract 1 from 5 to give us 4. And to do that, we introduce this word, this I. So our 1 is I, 2 is I, 3 is I, 4 is IV, 5 is V. Now, our 6 will be VI. 7 will be VII. 8 will be VIII. 9, we can't write VIII for 9, no. We are going to write IX. And our 10 is X. Okay? So, we continue from there to 11. 11 to 20 now. We have done 1 to 10. 11 will be XI. 12 will be XII. 13 will be XIII. 14 will be XIV. 15 will be XV. Now 16. 16 will be XVI. 17 will be XVII. 18 will be XVIII. 19 will be XIX. And 20 will be XX. Now, the 19, X is 10, XI is 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay? So that means our 1 to 10 is like the foundation for 11 to even 2000. So once you are able to grasp that of 1 to 10, the rest are simple. So now 21 to 30. Now 21 will be x 10, x 20, I. 22 will be x I. 23 will be x I. 24 will be x I V. 10 plus 10, 20. IV is 4, that is 24. 25 will be x V. 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 25. 26 will be x VI. 27 will be x VII. 28 will be x VII. 29 will be x 10, 10, 20, IX, that is 29. 30 will be x. And it's 10 plus 10 plus 10, making 30. So now from 31 to 40. 31 to 40. 31 will be x I. 32 will be x I. 33 will be x I. 34 will be x IV. 35 will be x V. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 making 35. Sorry, this is 35. Now 36. 36 will be x VI. 37 will be x VII. 38 will be x VIII. 39 will be x IX. 40 now. 40 will not be x. I told you earlier that we can't repeat Roman numerals 4 times. We can only repeat, the maximum we can repeat them is 3 times. So in that regard, what we need to do is like, okay, we have 15, which is L. If we should subtract 10 from 50 to give us 40, so we have XL. That is 40. Now from 41 to 50. 41 is XLI. 42 is XLII. 43 is XLIII. 44 is XLIV. 45 is XLV. 46 is XLVI. 47 is XLVII. 48 is XLVII. 49 is XLIX. That's 49. And our 50 is L. So XL is 40. XI is 9, so 40 plus 9 will give us 49. So that is how you get your 1 to 50. So don't forget, else you want to write 38, you have X. 8 will be what? VIII. Okay? So also, you subtract. When you have a lower number coming before higher number, you subtract. That is 50 minus 10, making 40. But when you have XL, when you have a lower number after a higher number, you add. That is 50 plus 10.